Hey, good morning, good morning. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Philip. This is the Oxman Garage. So today we're gonna get a couple things done, couple errands done. One is I'm gonna get my trailer back. I bought that a few months ago, 2-3 months ago. So we'll get into that. We're gonna do some errands, and well, we gotta work on the trailer to bring it back. That's why it's not here right now. So that's what we're gonna go do, guys. So let me go grab some tools. Whoa. All right, it's dirty, okay, guys? Just close your eyes real quick. That's another thing I want to do is clean this garage out. Hopefully, this weekend. Okay. Didn't think all this through yet. Try to grab all the tools. So let's go run this down to the truck. Hope you guys are having a great day. But yeah, so I bought this trailer a few months ago. Got it for $1,000. The reason why I need it, well, I've been using U-Haul trailers for years, and I was just sick and tired of them getting my money. So what I do, actually, don't know why I quite did that, because I'm gonna put the stuff in the trunk, in the bed. But I was sick and tired of U-Haul taking all my money all the time, so I ended up just buying my own trailer. So it was $1,000. It was pretty inexpensive, so can't complain. So got it, and I've had some issues with a certain company, not naming any names, but they've been wreaking havoc on my life for about a year now. So I had to straighten all that up, but I can now bring the trailer home because of that. Alright, so I'm going to go close the garage real quick. I'm going to leave you guys right here. So give me one. I'm right back. And you know what, guys? I just came out to the truck, and it's a little dirty. So maybe we'll go wash it too while we're at it today, while we do our errand. So here's a cold setup of a 2006 Ford Roush F-150. Alright, so we are here at the Home Depot. I'm gonna go in and go grab a couple of things. I gotta go grab a couple of little holders, I guess, for the wiring, to be able to hold the wires up on the trailer and to fix it, so then I can get the trailer done so I can drive it home. Okay. Which ones do we need? Which ones do we want? Perfect. Got them. So now we are going to need tie downs, which I know are right here. Cool. Perfect. So now the only other thing that we need to do is go down to the hardware store. So we're gonna flash that real quick so I can get some self-tapping screws. Alright, so which ones do we need? Well, it's only for wiring, so maybe something small. 100 counts. Perfect. Now let's go check out.
Please scan your items. When you're finished, pay now button.
Alright, so we're gonna put air in the tires, and already at home took the, what do you call it, the little stem caps off. So we're gonna put this up to 36 because it's, tires are already hot. You know, and what vlog would that be without food? You know where we're going? It's not Sunday! Chicken fillet! Yeah, Philip.
Philip, what can I get you?
You can get a spicy chicken sandwich meal.
Okay. And what's the drink for you?
I'm gonna diet lemonade.
Lemonade, alright. And just to be clear, that's the spicy regular, not spicy lux?
Yeah, spicy regular.
Alright, any sauces?
Nope.
Alright, spicy regular meal, the diet lemonade is gonna be $8.16 for you.
Yeah.
Awesome. And you go ahead and follow that truck. We have to doing that.
Thank you.
My pleasure, George.
Yep.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Check out that line now. Holy moly. I wish this dude would just move a little bit so I could get out. So here is the trailer. I know it's not much, guys, but it's something. It's a flatbed. I don't have to rent from U-Haul anymore. Most important part. So I'm going to eat my Chick-fil-A and then I'll let you guys watch. So right now I have the light affixed right here, which is what the original location was, but I know a lot of the time trailers, the lights are affixed onto the fender, so that's what I'm gonna go do here because, well, it broke off. So I'm just gonna do that. So I'm gonna fix it there and right there. So guys, let you watch. But first, I'm gonna go eat my Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry. Guess so what we're doing here is going to put this on here. Here, so we will do that. But we're good to go on that right there. So one thing that stopped me from last time was this fender. The issue with this fender is that it has a bolt from last time. Like, it's on there pretty freaking good too. I wonder now that I have this, if I get a pair of vice grips, do I have those too? Do I need to go get them? What's that? Vice grips. Got it. So we are good to go on that, guys. So on that bombshell, I need to take off the light on this side. Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut the wiring off. Okay, so I got that off. So I have the wiring for this I'm going to have to cut off. So this may hinder something later on. We will see. Coated in electrical tape because I didn't have the heat shrink ones. And I'm sure this will come back to haunt me. So this side had to be this side because this side's got the LEDs in the bottom to light the license plate trailer. Look at that, guys. That looks stellar. Whew. Definitely one for the books. But look. So now I got my lights on. Gotta put the trailer tag on. And then light everything up and then we'll be good to go. A couple things I'm gonna do. So if you look under here, you'll see that this is just kind of dangling. So that's why we grabbed the little loops earlier at Home Depot. So what I'll use is the self-tapping screws and these to affix it to the bottom so then it's held up, it's not dragging. You know, my biggest fear is to get caught up inside the wheel or the tire and then get wrapped up. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna drive back home, pick up a couple tools, and then we'll be right back. So I'm not gonna take you guys with me. It'll pretty much be done, you know, in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. So we're back. Just right home, and it's a little chilly out here. It is 44 degrees out today, and you know I've been, been in a t-shirt all day. It's not too bad. It's not too cold for me. We've just been trying to, rep the friends, throttle dogs, Rich and CJ, but sun's going down. It's getting a little chilly out here, so I'm gonna throw my hoodie on right quick. All right, so what we went home for is I got some quick connectors for the wiring for the back tail lights, and also grabbed some electrical tape to cap off everything. So knock that out right quick. I'm gonna leave you guys right here, and actually I'm just gonna cut right to it. You guys aren't gonna see anything else. You know what, let's see if I can break. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna ever use this connector, so let's see if I can at least cut off the plastic around it. Of course, definitely everything. Dropping stuff. Today was going really smooth. Now not so much. So let's see if I can set you guys up here to watch what I'm doing. I have no idea if you see it right or not. But obviously this is going to render this useless when it comes to being waterproof, but if it will get me home and I can order a new connector for the trailer, that'll be okay. We can live with that. We can live with that. At least I'll have it home and out of my friend's hair, who's been so gracious to let me have my trailer here for about a month while I fixed my problems that I had, so I can get my trailer tag. Always something, guys, right? Leave it down in the comments. Let's see. What was the last project you did that didn't go to plan? It could be as easy as something yard work wise, working on your car, housework, something. But what did you do last that ended up this same way? So, all right. So, got the connector. Let's see if this will connect into this. Yes, it will. There you have it. We got it connected, so let's see if it works. Put you guys up here, see what's going on. Check it out. We got lights. So this one right here, we'll get that working tomorrow or so. I just didn't have a connector to connect the ground to it. But hey, it all works. Good job. So let's get this all connected. We got it. So trailer does need some help, does need some work, but hey, we got it. It's done. We came out and we did what we came out to do today. Hope you guys enjoyed your day as much as I enjoyed mine. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and like squad. If you like this video, go smash that like button. Alright guys, well, peace out.